tradewitheddy.com. Hey guys, today we're going to talk about how to trade Forex market. All right guys, now listen, there are three tools you need guys if you want to trade in the foreign exchange market. These are three essential things. Now listen, there are a lot of other things that you need that are all intangibles. So I'm going to talk about a few of those really quickly, get those out of the way, and then we'll get straight to the meat and potatoes of this video. All right guys, so intangibles, what am I talking about? I'm talking about things that you've probably heard before, right? There are do's and don'ts of Forex trading guys, and if you want to be in this game long term, you definitely want to stick to the do's and stay away from the don'ts. Although you will probably do some of the things you're not supposed to do, it's just a part of it. It's just the nature of trading. But here's a few things that you definitely want to do when you're trading. The first thing, guys, you want to have patience. Patience is very important to trading, guys. You got to have patience to be in this long term. You want to keep your emotions in check, right? That's another thing that's important because if you're able to have patience and keep your emotions in check, guys, that's giving you the foundation to be a professional, all right? And you want to get to that point to where if you take a loss or if things go against you, you're not freaking out, you're not panicking, guys. You're handling it straight like a pro would, okay? So those are a couple of the things that you need. You want to use your stop loss. You want to use proper leverage, right? You want to be disciplined. You want to study, plug into training and mentorship. All of these things are key to you being in the Forex world long term, okay? If you think you're just going to watch a couple of YouTube videos and then turn into a six-figure trader, it ain't gonna work that way, guys. You gotta put the work in and put the time in. And a lot of that comes down to studying and being consistent, all right? So now that I got that out of the way, if you're ready to get into the market, guys, be it playing with demo money or playing with live money, these are the three things that you're gonna need, okay? Very first thing you're gonna need, guys, is MetaTrader 4, okay? You're gonna need the MT4 app for your phone, or you're gonna have to download it onto your computer or tablet. All right, so you have to have MetaTrader 4. You cannot trade without it at all. It's just where everything is housed at. It's the hub, is where you go to enter trades at. So you gotta have MetaTrader 4, guys. And at the end of this video, I'm actually gonna link to MetaTrader 4 video where you can check out where I got a video showing you how to enter trades on MetaTrader 4. So that is the first thing. Let's get to the second thing. The second thing, guys, is that you need a broker, okay? You need a broker. Now, if you guys are wondering and probably getting a little weirded out, like, what broker do I pick? There are so many out there. Yes, there are a ton out there, guys. There are some that are regulated. There are some that are not regulated. A suggestion I'll give you is to look up best regulated Forex brokers. Now, what regulated simply means, guys, is that they follow a set of rules, okay? They are regulated to follow a set of rules. When you got brokers that are non-regulated, they got more free will to do things kind of the way they want to do it, right? But you know, you're kind of playing with fire a little bit if you're dealing with non-regulated brokers. So look for regulated brokers. There are a lot of very good ones out there, okay? But definitely do your research and pick a broker. So that's the second thing. The third thing, guys, you need, especially now, be it demo or live, you need a strategy, man. If you're just going out there and you're pressing buy or sell, that's not gonna work well for you. You need a strategy. So having a sound, solid strategy, guys, is gonna help you to sustain and be in this market. And I suggest if you find a strategy, once you figure out what type of trader you are you a scalper? Are you an intraday trader? Or are you a swing trader? Once you figure that out, guys, it's easy to find out what strategy works the best for you. And I know there are plenty of strategies that fit all three types of trading styles, but you gotta figure out what strategy suits you. Once you know that, guys, you will be able to be in the Forex game for as long as you want to be in it, because now it's just coming down to rinse and repeat and mastering that strategy, okay? So what I want to do really quickly, guys, I want to transition, and I'm actually about to show you a quick video, guys. If I see something in the market that I want to get in, I'm going to show you guys me taking a trade, but I'm actually going to show you the strategy that I use, which is called break and retest strategy. So I'm going to show you that real quick. Let's check it out, and let's see if we can find something to enter into. All right, guys, so here we are over on TradingView, and I'm looking at a few pairs, and I'm going to look for a potential strategy to take, a potential trade to take using the break and retest strategy that I've learned. But really quickly, I want to show you the market only moves three ways, guys. So if you're trading Forex, you got to understand the market moves three ways, and that's a perfect example of it right here. It goes up, right? So this is called an uptrend right here, or bullish, or going long, right? The market goes down. This is also called a bearish move, or you're shorting the market, okay? It goes up, down or what we call sideways in consolidation. So right here, as you can see, this is a lot of back and forth on this GBP JPY. So this is going back and forth, guys, and I'm liking what I'm seeing because I like to take a trade out of consolidation. I use what's called price action and market structure. So by going is being indecisive, I know it's going to break out of this indecisiveness and it's going to move one or two ways. So I've learned to trade through the platform I've been a part of for now almost 4 years. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to create a support and resistance zone, and I'm going to trap this price based off of what I see, and I'm seeing a potential entry that I might be able to get in here in a few minutes. So if I'm looking here, guys, this is my ceiling or my resistance zone right here, because I'm focused right in this area. All of this has already happened, and right here, this was the highest point of resistance, right? And it tested this area a few times right here with all of these wicks of these candles that are called fake outs. So it tested in this area a few times, so that's going to be my resistance or my ceiling. Okay, then I need my floor. So right in here, same thing. The candles bounced off this area all of these times, all of these different, and this is the 1 hour time frame. So each one of these candles represents an hour. So if you look at this for about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So for almost a whole day, 20 hours, right? It was in consolidation trying to decide. And obviously it's going to go up or down after it goes sideways. And right here is looking like it's making a move to the upside. So I'm going to highlight this really quickly, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm looking for. Okay. I don't want this to be too long, so I'm going to move quick here. So ceiling, right? Highlight my ceiling with a box, highlight the floor with a box. Okay, simple as that, right? And now I'm looking for it to break this box, okay, this ceiling box. I want it to break in here. I want it to retest, meaning a candle forms inside of this box to make this area go from ceiling to floor. Then I'm waiting for a candle to break and close going in the up position. Okay, so it's called break and retest. All right, so it broke this box already, right? Now I'm waiting for it to retest in this box, which it has done, and now I'm waiting for it to continue to the upside for a move. And if I get in this trade here, which is looking pretty good, this is going to be a potential for me of about 36 pips before it hits the next area of resistance, which would be up here. Okay, so let's take a look and see. I marked this up on the 1 hour, and I'm just show you guys this really quickly. I marked this up on the 1 hour chart. Break, retest, then wait for entry for it to go up. Okay, so I marked this up on the 1 hour chart. I'm looking for the move to happen off of the 15. Now, if you're asking, well, why do you enter off the 15? Is because the 15 is faster. The 1 hour gives me a more solid, consistent market structure, meaning it's more of a real move, but I can get in that move faster and catch my pips quicker on the 15-minute chart, because obviously each candle, 4 15-minute candles equals 1 hour candle. All right, so I consider myself more of an intraday trader. Okay, so look, it did perfectly what I wanted it to do. If you look here, it broke in this box. It retested in this box with this red candle right here. Then it formed a green candle up right here. So I'm actually going to enter this trade. Okay, I'm going to enter this trade here in a second. And I'm actually, what I'm going to do in that MetaTrader 4 video, guys, I'm going to share with you. Sorry about that. In that video, you're going to learn how to enter a trade on MetaTrader 4. Okay. So I want to make this video too long. So enter and exit a trade that'll be included in the MetaTrader 4 video. But I'm going to enter this trade for GBP JPY. Okay. So obviously, if you're watching this video at the time of this video, this move will definitely have been long gone and done. But I'm definitely going to get in this for a buy here as soon as I finish this video up. But let me show you what I would be looking for. For the downside, it would have been the same thing, right? For it to go down. Looking for a break, looking for a retest, and then looking for it to drop down if it would have went down. So it was going to go one of two ways. It was going to go up or it was going to go down. It chose to go up as of right now. And based off of my analysis, I'm going to get in it. And if it continues, I'll win. And if it decides to turn around and go to the other side, I'm going for 30 pips I'm doing a 1-to-1 ratio, 30 pips minimum for my take profit and 30 pips minimum for my stop loss. And let's say if it does, here's the cool thing about this strategy. If it does decide to go in the opposite direction, do a shift of momentum and decide, nah, we're going to go to the downside and come this way, I'm set to win it coming down, and I'll get back what I lost and then some. Okay. So if I got in, if it went and down to the downside, I'll be looking at a potential 64 pips because this would be the next area of support. Okay. So I'll get back what if this trade did turn around on me, I'll get back what I potentially lost and then gain some on top of it. But the cool thing is, guess what? If I catch it and I win it here, and then if it decides to turn around and go to the downside, I can catch that too. So that's breaking retest. That's how I trade, guys. And like I said, strategy is what you need to enter into the Forex market, along with MetaTrader 4 and a broker. So if you don't have a strategy, guys, you need to plug in the tools, education, some type of learning, guys, to mentorship to help you get a sound strategy. If you want to mess around and try to figure it out on your own, please do it in demo account, not live. All right. All right, guys. So what do you think? I hope that was some help to you, man. I hope you got some value from what I shared. And listen, I just wanted to share with you a little bit of how I trade. I get it. This is not no whole in-depth video breaking down A to Z trading, but it wasn't designed to do that, right? It was designed to give you the three things, in my opinion, that you need on how to trade the Forex market. Okay, very important. You need broker, obviously, MetaTrader 4 broker. You need a strategy. Now, listen, guys. What I want to do really quickly is I want to invite you in to take a inside under the hood look at the platform that I use and I've been utilizing for the past 4 years to learn and earn with in the foreign exchange market. Inside of, I have a Facebook group. Inside of this group, I share with you trainings, tips, strategies, results that people are getting through utilizing our platform. You can definitely come in there and see what we're about and what we have. It may or may not be for you, but I definitely tell you to get some guidance, some support, mentorship somewhere. Last but not least, guys, what I have for you, I actually have a free guide for you that you can definitely go ahead and download. If you go to tradewitheddy.com, this guide is going to help you because I talked about earlier the intangibles, right? One of the biggest things you need is the right mindset when it comes to trading. So if you want to develop the mindset of a pro trader, guys, to understand how to deal with your emotions, how to deal with entering and exiting the market appropriately, along with a lot more, go ahead and grab this guide, as it will definitely help you do that. All right. There you have it, guys. I hope you all got value from this video. If you did, man, do me a huge favor and hit the like button. If you enjoyed it, drop me a comment, guys. And if you want to see more of my content, more of my videos, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And also hit that bell notification, guys, to be ready and notified when I drop new videos. Thanks for your time, guys. I wish you the best. Have a great day.